Hi guys, how you doing? Today our class about law of sines, and our objective today from law of sines to solve any given triangle. What I mean by solve triangles, I mean by solving triangles is to find all the length of the triangle and to find all the angles of the triangle. We have too many cases. Okay. Then law of what? Of sines. I prepared some notes to make it easy. Then if we have any given triangle, look here, this triangle. Okay, you see it's not right triangle. We have, this triangle has three angles. Angle A, uppercase, angle B, angle C. The side opposite to the A, we call it lowercase a. Then A, the lowercase letters mean the length of the side. The uppercase mean the measure of the angles. And C and B. Okay. The law of sines state that the ratio between the sine of any angle to the length of the opposite side is the same. What I mean by this, the ratio. I mean, if you take sine A, let me just make it the same colors. Sine A over A, it should be the same as sine B over B. You can take another angle. You can take sine A over sine C over A and C. Or you can take any other B and C together. Sine B, sine C, and here we're gonna have what, guys? I'm positive you know, B and what? C. Then you can find the side, the angle, and the side by using these formulas. With example, we will see what we mean by this. You see, we take the opposite side. Okay, good. And then the second objective, from these formulas we can find all the sides and the length. With example, you will see it. Now, the second objective, we said this, is to find the area. Now, usually for right triangle, the area for right triangle, this is a right triangle. Okay. And this is different color. Okay. We call this base and this height. You're solving the problem, right? Solve that one. No. The problem, the homework problem. Okay, can you start with it? Half. This is the base. And this is the height of the triangle. Area equal, that's what we used to go, half times base times height, because we have a right angle. But make believe let me just take a copy from this triangle, and paste it somewhere here, and make some changes. Okay, like this, and make another copy from this, paste, and take another copy and paste. Then I have three triangles. Here one, I'm gonna put one here and one here. Now, look guys, what I mean by this. How I find it? This A, this B, and this C. If this A, that means this A, and this is B, and this is C. To find the area for this guy, look here. If this side given and this side given, area equal half C times A. You see these two, and he has to give me, he must give me what the angle be. Which is sine what? The angle between the two sides. Okay, let me go to this guy. Make believe this A, and this is B, and this is C. I like this one to have B here. And let me just have C is given. If C is given, this C and this is B, then which side I need to know? The side I need to know, because C is given, to find the area, this and this side. Then area in this case have, okay, here is A and here is B. A times B, sine what? Which angle? Sine C. Good. Then, as long as you have two sides given, and the angle between them, you can find the area. Okay, the last case, if he give you what? A, B, C, A, B, C. We have a CA, we have AB, we need BC. BC, B and C. This side and this side. This side and this side. This side and this side. Then which angle has to be given? This angle. Then area equal half BC sine A. Good. Now, then we have to understand, for any triangle, if we have two sides given and the angle between of them, that means we can find the area. How to find the angles? We have to use the law of sines, these ratios here. Okay, but not all the time the things are easy. Not all the time the things are easy because we have too many cases for the case of law of sine. To tell you what I mean, I prepared this for you. You see, I'm taking care of you guys. The law of sine. What you have to know, the law of sine is to solve triangle. Meaning solve triangle, find the length of each side, right? Find the measure of all three angles and find the area. Now, we have cases. Case one, when we have angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. You see, the side comes between two given angles, this angle and this angle, right? And the side come here. We call this case angle, side, angle. Here, that's easy. You find the third angle, this angle here. You find the third angle by adding angle BA plus angle B. Then what you're going to do after this angle B? 180 minus the sum of angle A and angle what? B. This sum. Okay, let me just erase it. Some of my students, they are very picky, but I like them. Even they are sum angle A, angle B. You see, that's easy. Why 180? Because the sum of all angles. Then after that, we apply the law of what? Sine. The one I explained. Okay? The second case, which is these two cases are easy cases. What we have, sine, angle, angle. Look, in these two cases, we have two angles given. When we have two angles given, this easy case. This easy what? Case. Because what you have to do the same, 180 minus the sum of the given angle. Sum of the given angles. Okay, let me take an example for these cases. Look here, side angle, 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 it doesn't matter, and side is away from them. Let me take these examples into my board. Look, watch, and start with these for today. Okay. Okay, let me just take another copy from this triangle, if I still have, I think still I have the copy. Let me just take copy from this. Copy. Paste. Okay. Let us take this example. Solve. Solve. When I say solve the triangle, what this means for you guys, solve triangle means you have to find all the angles, all the sides, all the angles, all the sides, and find the edge. A, B, C. What we call this case, guys, let us take this 32 degree, and this is 40 watt. Uh, 50, 64 degree. Let me just, there is more logic. It's not 64. 64 degree, I'm making my number, and 56 degrees. Now we have side angle, and this side is 12 centimeter, which is C. Then what's given? A is 64 degree, B is 56 degree. What I need, now it's easy to find what? Angle C. 180 minus the sum of these two angles, right? 64 plus 56. 64 plus this 120. And this guy 180. Minus, which is 60 degrees. Then I know what this is. 60 degree. 60 degree. Good. Now I have all the angles. Now I need the side. I'm going to use my sine, law of sines. This is C. This is C. Right, guys? This is C. This is A. And this is B. Okay. Law of sine is good as long you look here. We're looking for sine, right? We can do C because given over sine A, C, and I'm going to put here B. Look here, you can flip it. Sine over the length of the side, or the length of the side over the side. Sine C, sine B. Okay, which one given? Okay. Sine C, which is sine 60, and sine B, sine 56. And which one given? The given as C, which is 12, and we're looking for B. Okay. Let me bring my board to me here. Okay. Cross multiply. Cross what? Multiply 12. That equals 12 sine 56 equal B sine 60. Divide both sides. Divide by what? Sine 60. Sine 60. Use your calculator. B equal 12 sine 56. Don't forget the parentheses over sine 60. Okay, use the calculator. I'm using this calculator. I'm gonna try to. Can you smile, see if that's clear for them? 12. I need to focus in the calculator. Sine.
It's not.
Hold on, one second. Let's make. You have to make mode is degrees. Yes. Okay. 12 sine 12. But when I finish it, okay. Sine 60, 56. Divide by sine 60. Sine or sine, yes, 60. Can you show this clear in the I'm gonna see. Okay, just flip it. Let's make sure.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, bring it back as is. And 11.49. 11.49. Then this guy 11.49, which is B. 11.49. Okay. For A, we're gonna use for A, and we can use again B for A sine A. For A sine A, give me more time. Sine A, sine B, and A is we need what we need, and sine A is sine 64, and B is 12. B is 12. B is B, then A over sine A, sine 64. Sine 64. B is A, we don't know. B is 1149. We just find it. And sine 56. Sine 56. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. A sine 56 equal 11.49 sine 64. Sine 64. We're looking for A. looking for A equal 11.49 sine 64 in parentheses over sine 56. I'm going to do the same thing in my calculator. I'm going to do the same thing in my calculator. Okay, I have it here. 11.49 sine 564 divide by sine 56. 12.46. I'm rounding to my answer. 12.46. Okay, centimeter. Now we have all the sides. This A and this B and C is given. C is given. Now to find the area, you can take A and B, or area half A times B sine C. A is 12.6, B 11.49, sine C is how much? 60. Okay. Time 11.49 time sine 60. 123.95. 123.95. Okay, guys, thank you, and be good, be safe. If you have any question, don't hesitate to write in your comments what you need. You have to do it in your comments, and you have to write what you need help with. I'm going to keep going with low sine, low cosine the whole of this week. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.